we're constantly searching for new markers, especially for early detection or in a scenario where you can help to add positive predictive value to screening and imaging. And then looking at recurrence monitoring, and then looking at patients who have advanced disease and whether or not you can help to understand their treatment efficacy. So if you look at that compendium of different areas where you can apply biomarkers, most people want to study them in where kind of the gold is, and that is, okay, can we use it for screening, for general population screening? And what's happened is that most of the biomarkers that have been perhaps discovered and used, such as CA15-5 or 2729, or in ovarian cancer, big example, CA125, they were actually approved for recurrence monitoring by the FDA, and they're used off-label for screening.